Guys, check out Eddie's new Pete. A 359, guys. Look at how clean this thing is. It's like an 80 something. The thing is freaking sick. Nice classic, guys. Let's see the inside. Classic for sure. Dang. Hey, it responds really good. Dang. This thing is nice. Oh. Wow, guys. What do y'all think about the new project, guys? Dang. This thing has a big cam Cummins in it too, guys. So this thing is classic AF, my guys. Classic AF. Can't wait till this thing gets built the way it needs to. Man. This thing's gonna be a beauty. I mean, it already is a beauty down the road. But it's just gonna look way better. Way, way better. Check that baby out, guys. Man. She looks good. Really, really good. Damn. Pop the hood. Pop the hood. Damn, this thing's heavy. Check out that classic motor, guys. Woohoo! Now that's freaking nice. This is the first truck we have with this kind of motor, guys. We've never ever had this kind of motor. Look how clean that frame is. My goodness. Look at that. Damn. Oh, man. Yeah, guys, so this truck has a split tank as well on this side. You see the split right there? For hydraulic fluid and diesel. So this truck is ready to rock and roll in the dirt. Well, not quite yet. It still needs the PTO, but it has a tank for it. And it already has the watermelons too, guys. Look how badass that thing looks. The stacks too, my goodness. Man, I'm in love with this truck. Look at that. New school versus old school. Damn.
So when you turn on the engine brake, it turns
That thing
on.
is weird, huh? With that shock all the way over there. The gearbox back there.
And then this is the power steering reservoir.
Dang. This thing is
This is where you
classic
check
AF. A ver. What the? Power steering? Unreal. That's cool.
Get the belts because these screws up here, there's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4 over there inside. And you gotta unscrew them from in here and go back. You just do them like 2-3 turns, just a little bit. And then the screw here, you tighten it to tighten the belts.
Unreal.
But they were hitting the fan. The fan shroud. When we tightened them and we tried to sand it up there and it didn't work and they're still loose. So these belts are just all stretched out, or they're the wrong size.
Damn, these things are super loose.
Oh no, they were worse when I got them.
There's the floors of my baby, guys. What y'all think of those new wood floors, huh? My uncle did a badass job.